Number 1, you want to make sure you're limiting the amount of text in your images. Images with 20% or less text in them perform best on Facebook. In fact, if your image has 20% or more text in it, Facebook most likely won't approve it, and if they do approve it, they will directly tell you that it will reach less people. Number 2, take advantage of the built-in call to action buttons in your Facebook ads. Common ones are call now, book now, and learn more. You want to make sure you're creating a sense of urgency in the ads so you're getting people to actually want to take that next step and click your call to action button right then. Number 3, you want to keep your videos short. If you're creating a Facebook video ad, Facebook actually recommends that you keep that video at 15 seconds or less. The shorter the video, the higher the completion rate is. And number 4, if you're doing a video, make sure you add captions to it. 85% of videos viewed on Facebook are viewed with the sound off. And number 5, you want to watch your ad text. For example, when you're creating your headline, you want to keep that to 5 words or less. When you're creating the main copy of your ad, which is directly above your image or your video, there's not really a set amount of words that works best. It really depends on your brand, your product or service you're selling, and the quality of the content you're writing. To test this, you want to create an A/B split test in Facebook, so create one ad with long form content and then one ad with short form content and see what type of engagement you're getting from there.